Alright, before the video starts, I just want to say why I'm doing this exploit is very simple. So I can get the Rhino, some of the other weapons, and all this other stuff. And with this version, it's going to make getting the Million Bolts trophy a lot easier. I'm eating some chocolate right now. Right now, I won't be getting too far in depth with the original, the HD version. I'll try and get to at least maybe half the required for the trophy. Well, the main thing is the Rhino is 150,000 bolts. Premium nanotech is 5,000. The Ultra nanotech is 30,000, which I'll explain all three of those in this episode. There are maybe two things worth 2,000 bolts each in the third act of the game, which is 4,000. PDA, which is 5,000. No, not 5,000. 1,000 bolts, so that one's not going to be worth anything, which I'll explain in a later episode. The Tesla Claw, that is 40,000. I do plan to get the Persuader, which will make it a little bit cheaper, like 30,000 bolts. Still expensive, but saves a lot of time grinding. So, yeah, I think that's all I gotta say. This exploit will save a lot of time and a lot of hours and a lot of pain and misery. So, I will go ahead and get right back at you with the episode.